Hey guys, welcome back to the Ridge. Out here in the shop doing something a little bit different, not woodworking. This will fall under the more category. Tina ordered some Slate coasters, so I'm playing with the Whizmaker Wand Mini laser engraver, so stick around. So that's kind of what I got going so far. I've got this coaster done, and I've done a couple more. Let me get this out of here. Sorry guys. And then I've cut this one, and I did it in a square one too, so I figured I'd just do one of each, and I got some different ones. What I've done is I've just found some, I guess basically clip art, and I've saved them to my photos, and then I'm importing them. Having to kind of tweak the settings around a little bit, kind of get things to fit. So, like I said, so far, I'm getting ready to switch over to do a round one. And then on my board down here, I was kind of playing with it. But let me do some adjusting here. So I just traced out one of the square ones with a marker, and then just stuck in there. That way I can just kind of line it up, and then I did the same thing. It works because these are also 4x4, so I can just set it in there like so. So let me get another round one here. Then I'll line it up with my lines. And then now I can come over here and hit start. And I've got, which this is only 3.5 watt diode or something like that, if I remember correctly. So it's not a very powerful one. So I've got it maxed out on power and going fairly slow, and then it's doing 2 passes. I don't know if it needs 2 passes or not. It's just looking at it after the first pass, it seems to be doing just fine. I've been just kind of, I'm learning this. I'm just kind of taking my time with it, and probably speed this one up, and then we'll be back when it's done. All right, so that one's done. It turned out pretty good. So, again, I want to set up another one and do another round. And hey, if you're interested in camping and RVing or anything, go check out another channel, Raney Ridge Untethered. New and 10. I started here Be glad to have you. So let me stop this and get set up, and we'll get another one started. All right, finishing up another one here. We'll move on to the next design. I figure I'll do 4 coasters in a set. I've got some of the Bigfoot, I got some fishing, and I've got some wildlife. I think this little laser engraver is going to come in handy here. Mainly got it for putting our logo on boards and stuff that we do. We figured time-wise, it's about as quick getting this set up as it is getting the branding iron heated up and branded, and this will be a little bit cleaner, or actually a lot more cleaner, and be able to get it more consistent each time. That way I'm not relying on, if I push down on one side of the branding iron a little bit more than the other or not. So I don't think it'll completely replace our branding iron, but just another tool in the arsenal here. Let's take her out and see how she looks. Yeah. All right, on to the next one. All right, so got the other one set up. Put that in there. So let's get her started. I'll bring y'all back when we're done. All right, so got these done. They turned out pretty good. I still need to do some fiddling and helping with lineups and stuff, but yeah. I like them. I think Tina will be happy. So guys, I appreciate you sticking around and watching this. Remember to leave a like and a comment. As always, stick around and see what we get into next time. Bye-bye now.